I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Lexus RX 350. First, power on your vehicle and ensure the navigation system is fully active. You can access the main navigation menu using the intuitive remote touch controller located near the gear shift, or by directly touching the display screen. Take a moment to confirm that your current vehicle position is accurately shown on the map, typically indicated by a small arrow or car icon. This ensures the system is ready for your journey. Now let's input your desired destination. From the main navigation menu, simply select the destination option. You'll then be presented with several choices, such as entering a specific address, searching for a point of interest like a restaurant, or selecting from your list of previous destinations. For an address, carefully input the street number, street name, city, and state using the on-screen keyboard. Once confirmed, the system will calculate your route and begin providing turn-by-turn guidance. Understanding your map views enhances your navigation experience. You can easily switch between a two-dimensional overhead view and a more immersive three-dimensional perspective, often showing buildings and terrain. Use the zoom buttons, typically found on the side of the screen or controller, to adjust your map scale. Dive into the map settings to personalize display preferences, such as showing traffic flow or points of interest icons. You can also toggle voice guidance on or off, depending on your preference. To maximize your Lexus RX 350's GPS, explore its advanced features. Leverage real-time traffic updates, which can help you avoid congestion and save valuable time on your journey. Don't forget to save your frequently visited locations as favorites. This allows for one-touch navigation to your home or workplace. If traffic builds, the system can often suggest alternative routes. Finally, ensure your navigation maps are updated periodically to benefit from the latest road information and points of interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.